Factoring sum and difference of two cubes. Here are the patterns. So, ang given ay difference of two cubes. Okay, itong ating kukunin ang factor. So, una, get the GCF or greatest common factor of the first and the second term. Okay, lagay natin sa parenthesis. So, ang kanilang greatest common factor, ito ay 1. So, ganito po. Same sign, quantity A minus B. Then, times the opposite sign and always positive sign, the last term. So, squared natin yung first term. Then, ating i-multiply ang roots ng first sa second term. Then, yung last term ay ating squared. So, ito ang ating factored form sa ating difference of two cubes. Next, ito namang ating sum of two cubes. Okay, kunin natin ang GCF. So, ang GCF dito ay 1. Then, same sign, quantity A plus B. Then, yung opposite sign, yung negative at yung last term ay yung positive. Okay, ngayon, squared natin yung first term. Then, yung multiply natin yung roots ng first at second term. Then, squared yung last term. So, ito po ang ating pattern sa pag-factor ng sum and difference of two cubes. Now, example. Ang given natin ay 8x cubes minus y cubes. Una, kukunin natin ang greatest common factor. So, ang greatest common factor or GCF ng 8 ay 2. Then, yung x cubes, x. Then, yung the same sign, yung minus sign, kopyahin natin. Then, y cubes. So, ang GCF ito ay y. And next, yung opposite sign, ito yung positive and always positive sign. So, lagay natin sa brackets. Squared natin ang first term, itong ating GCF na 2x squared. Then, ating i-multiply itong roots natin ng 2x at saka itong y. Then, yung last term ay ating squared, itong ating GCF na y squared natin. Ganito po. Then, atin ang simplify. Copy itong ating GCF, 2x minus y. Then, itong ating 2x raised to second power, ito ay 4x squared. Then, plus, multiply na 2x times y, that is 2xy. Then, plus y squared. Ito po ang factored form ng ating given na difference of two cubes. Now, it's your turn. Comment your answer.